I've been asked a question by one of my subscribers. He is interested in coding a multi-instrument and multi-time frame expert advisor. He was asking me a number of questions, and he requested me to make a video how he can do it. You can do it in two ways. One is you can code EA in MQL5, or I would suggest you should use Python. Python is very powerful, and it is easily integrated into MetaTrader 5. You should see the videos in which I have explained to you how you're going to connect the MetaTrader 5 platform with Python. This is done through this MetaTrader 5 library that is available on PyPy. So I would suggest that if you really want to develop multi-time frame and multi-instrument indicators or EAs, then you should really use Python. Python is very powerful, and you can easily do things that becomes very cumbersome in MQL5. So this is an example I gave you of currency strength. I have made previously also a video. This I have just imported this, and then I make the connection with the MT5 terminal. MT5 initialize, MT5 wait for terminal. So this is that connection has been made, and then I use pandas. You see, I am using these currency pairs, 28 currency pairs. If you use MQL5, becomes very cumbersome because you have to download each time series and each time frame, and I'm using these time frames M1, M2, M3, M15. So you see H12, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 15 minute, 2 hour, 8 hour, monthly, weekly, all these time frames are going to be downloaded. Try to do it MPL and MPL5, and you'll see that it becomes very cumbersome to synchronize all these time series and all these copy rates and stuff like that. So here I am doing it very easily. Download all the data, and see this currency this currency strength meter for each currency that calculates it, and see then you can easily plot it also. See PLT plot. So this is how I would suggest you should do it now after the calculation MT5 shutdown. The MT5 shutdown, right? So the connection has been shut down. So I would suggest that if you really want to utilize the power of MetaTrader 5 and Python, then you should use Python. You can easily download the data, whatever time frame you want, whatever currency pair you want, whatever instruments you want. Then you can do machine learning, deep learning, whatever stuff you want. And you can then open and close trades using Python also on MT5. So if you want, I can make more videos on how you can do this thing.